If ever there's a fire or a flood inside your house, which happens, a pipe breaks or something, you give us a call. We come out, stop the water, go ahead, remove the water from the house as fast as possible, and then we do the cleanup and we do all that stuff to see what kind of damage. And we also work with all insurances. So we'll work with this insurance and that insurance. So you guys really, the people who have a lot of damage don't have to.
Okay.
So we'll do that for you as well. And also we do reconstruction as well.
Okay.
So let's say, afterwards, there's going to be damage. We remove the damage, but also we could put back the house the way it was originally, if not better.
Okay.
That's how we do it.
And if homeowners or contractors are looking to contact your company, where would they be able to find you guys at online?
They'll be able to find us online at Palmdale North, Servpro.
Okay.
Servpro of Palmdale North.
For sure.
Yeah. And our number is 818. Well, here's our number here. Okay. Sometimes we get that with my cell phone number.
Here we
It's
go.
661-526-3649.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
we really appreciate the work that you guys are doing in the community.
Thank you.
By being out here, getting to know new people,
Right.
getting to know the service professionals, and I'm really setting yourself apart from other businesses, showing that you guys stand behind your products and stand behind your community.
We do.
So we want to thank you for that. Thank you for being a part of the AV Chambers of Commerce, and we really want nothing but continued success and growth for your business and your family.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
No problem. All right.
All right.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.